my dear viewers, to so much love and super duper interesting documentary series Impulse. In this episode, you will see how is to camp with your dog inside the ionosphere tent in strong wind and more interesting things. We're gonna enjoy wild camping in the forest. Now Mia has her own backpack. Yeah, military style. Total weight with their items is about 2 kilograms. And Mia's weight is around 25 kilograms, so it should be okay. As it goes for me, today I'm testing my Snugpak poncho. I already tested before. Just now rain stopped, but before about 10 minutes was strong rain. I will see, I will put it here. Also today you're gonna see how it is to sleep in Snugpak Ionosphere tent together with dog. Also I'm gonna try my new barefoot sandals. I made them by myself, for me and for all my family. She's a really strong girl. Where's the... Rain is gone and now it's beautiful sunshine. So I needed this poncho only for 10 minutes. That's it. Maybe on the way back home we will see. Look how beautiful. It's just after the rain. A girl wants to play, yeah. Girl is so happy. Yeah, happy girl. Yeah. She's already get used to new bag. No problem. She's running and jumping and digging. Yeah, girl. Good girl. Good girl. And strong girl. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. And the good thing is that nothing in this bag is not waterproof. Later on I will show you what's inside. So she can easily go to the water if she wants, even swim. She likes spending the time in nature, the same as me. So I was hammocking over there. I think it was my first time when I was checking out my new hammock. What do you think about this place? It's a good place? I think so. So we're gonna stay here. I know this place. I've been here. After the rain I can see the places where the water is flowing. So this place seems alright. Let's make the tent. Welcome, my dear friends, to your so much loved and super duper interesting documentary series Impulse. Minutes and tent is ready. The wind is picking up and there was a breeze that took my camera down when I was filming time-lapse. Okay, I will show you what's inside the Mia's bag. This is the bag and total weight is 2 kilograms with all the stuff she needs. Only her sleeping pad is in my bag because it's too bulky, you know. It's very light because it's made of foam, but yeah. So I will show you what's inside. As you can see, Mia already found something tasty in this backpack. Good girl, good girl. So, this bag have holes for water drainage. It's very cool stuff. Here you can patch some patches. Actually, she will have some patches already ordered at you. Okay, so you can attach something from the outside, also here. So the first thing is rag. This is for cleaning paws and some dirt, you know. Dog is messy, I'm messy too. Look at my feet. Okay. Here's also a snack, a big bone. Yeah, Mia, you're gonna have this one. This is for you. Okay. The next thing, basically food for 2 times. One today, one tomorrow morning. It's in a zip bag and it's not a problem to go into the water. This is a very lightweight plastic box. The main reason is for eating and drinking water. So that's one side. There are inside the shock cords. You can attach something there. It's actually a very nice bag, I like it. And on the other side, it's only water for drinking. It's around 900 milliliters. That's it. As for now, Mia will have this very tasty treat. She's a good girl. She liked this new backpack. She was running when using it. Wind is getting crazy. Mia will have her snack. Yeah. Here you go, my girl. Yeah. I have some upgrades for this bag and my tent. Oh, this wind is getting crazy here. Come on. So, I've changed this to the paracord. I'm actually suggesting everybody do so. So much better. No noise. And it's very comfortable for your grip. I've done this for my tarp and for my liner and many other things. As you can see here, also here. It's very nice and comfortable. No sound. Super cool. As you can see also on my waist bag, no more noise. You are silent like a ninja. Yeah, I'm telling you. It's also same goes for tent, and I will do for my other tent that too. I have olive green from the outside and black from the inside. This green ones already was attached to that original handle. Same here. It's very nice. Super. Now it's silent, like I like it. So this time I'm with my dog. I don't want to puncture my inflatable mat, so I have this pad with me. I never slept on it by itself. So this will be one of the today's tests, and it's indestructible too. And no need for blowing. Mia is enjoying her snack. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Done. It makes very strange sound. So my jungle bag, of course, summer sleeping bag. It's actually very cool. It has a bug net inside for face. It's awesome. I also have this pad for Mia, and I have a tent with a bottom. I don't want to puncture. Okay. It was very tasty little bone. Yeah, with some meat on it. You very like that, yeah. So I'm gonna make food for me as well. I'm hungry. Welcome, my dear viewers, to your so much love and super duper interesting documentary series, Impulse. She really wants to play. Yeah, my little girl. She's a monster. Monster. Easy. Don't tear my new jacket. It's quite windy and I feel a little bit cold. It sounds crazy, yeah? Sometimes I was staying in sub-zero temperatures and saying that's okay. It's 16.2 degrees Celsius, that's why I'm feeling cold. Yeah, 16 degrees for summer, it's quite chilly, you know. And the humidity is 83%, it's quite high. But I have this synthetic hoodie with me. So underneath is also synthetic long sleeve, and if needed I have my base layer for sleeping. I can use that one if it's gonna be even colder, but I don't think so. I really like synthetic stuff, you know. You can dry it very fast and it works even wet. Wind is crazy, but my tent is holding well. It's a good test for tent too. So today will be 3 new things about my tent. One, sharing it with my dog. Other one is new paracord handles for zippers. And the third one is testing it in the high wind. And maybe the fourth one, the rain. I never slept on that foam pad alone and in this tent. So, number 5. And my homemade sandals are perfect. I was walking on the cones, sharp branches, mud, puddles, everything, you name it. Perfect. If you want me to make a video how to make one, just comment down below in comment section. I can make a tutorial how to make sandals. Like this, very cheap, very affordable, very cool. Welcome, my dear viewers, to your so much loved and super duper interesting documentary series, Impulse. Bon appetit! That's the bomb, with a little bit of sand too. It's windy, you know. Now I will give to eat to my dog. Later on I will make some tea. And before sleep maybe I will make another ramen. We'll see. But I need to prepare food for my dog too. How could I forget that? Here's some food for me too. Yum yummy. So we are enjoying our meal. I hope you enjoy yours. Okay, see you later. Peace! It's time for tea. The wind is very gusty and it's getting quite cold. At the moment it's 14.5 degrees Celsius. Temperature is dropping and humidity is 90%. So my plan is to make a tea, drink it, and then we go inside with Mia. That's it. And then later on I will keep this stove by the reach here. Then I will make my ramen from the inside of a tent. That's it. This foil is a wonderful stuff. So effective now. Cool. And about the mosquitoes, there is nearly none of them because it's strong wind or something. That's cool. I like it. Mia is listening nature and smelling the smells from the far away. She's enjoying too, but I think she's already waiting when we will go inside the tent. Okay, peace. So I had my tea and I will leave this by the reach. I can make my ramen or another tea. There is some mosquitoes now, not like too much, but they are here. And it's quite uncomfortable to stay here outside, it's quite chilly. So we are going inside. Mia is waiting for that moment already last hour or so. Come here, my sweet girl. Give me. I'm gonna clean your paws. Need to make some tick check also. Some quick one. So dirty paws. It's very sandy here, and she were digging holes. I can't clean them 100%. It's very sticky sand. I need to have water, but it will do. It's much better now. So clean. My little princess will be clean. Nice. Give me another one. Give me this one, the last one. She liked my sleeping bag better. She decided to have my place for sleeping, and I will sleep in her place. As it goes for me, I'm gonna change. Okay. I'm gonna change to my sleeping clothes because here outside humidity is quite high and I sleep much better in my base layer. My super duper sandals, they're awesome. I have another style too. I made for my wife also like zigzag shape. Like there is no, it's not like strings, you know. Some people don't like this thing between fingers, so the option like a zigzag, like this, also nice. It's a very good thing that I have a very wide sleeping bag. There is enough space inside for me and my dog, so my dog can choose to come inside my sleeping bag, no problem. I can use my sleeping bag as a blanket too. These are my thermal toe socks, because those winter ones are overkill for the summer. It's a 11:30. Only now it starts to getting dark, but I think this night will be like this, not too dark. And this time I put my camera to make a time lapse, but without a power bank. I forgot a cable for that, so it will be shorter. But since these nights are very short at this moment of the year, I hope it will do some 2 or 3 hours. Welcome, my dear viewers, to your so much love and super duper interesting documentary series, Impulse. It's time to go inside the tent. Mia is already sleeping. My little girl. See you in the tent. Bye. I like these new paracord zip handles. No noise and very nice feeling to the touch. So Mia is here with me. So this side should be the place for Mia. Not only this part, but also my pad, and with opportunity to stretch even further here. So the ground here is protected with this pad. But she thinks differently, as you can see. Let me go inside my sleeping bag. So let's put this light on. Only function for this time is to light up a tent, because I have no inflatable mat with me. But I like it as a light too. Voila! So I'm getting inside the sleeping bag. This sleeping bag is 80 centimeters wide, so it's enough room for us both. My little girl, my girl. crazy wind. Yeah. It's a good test for this tent. So that's the plan. We are going to sleep in one sleeping bag. Of course I cannot close it all the way up. In that way she should sleep straight as a stick or something. It's not possible. But mostly it's closed and she's very warm. So my first impressions about this sleeping pad, it's very comfortable. Even now, no problem. It's actually a good option. It's indestructible. I can lay here with my dog. Let's see what's the temperature. Yeah, temperature is dropping. Now it's 13.5 degrees Celsius and the humidity is 94.5. Okay, I think I'm gonna watch some Netflix and see you then tomorrow. Peace! Welcome, my dear viewers, to so much loved and super duper interesting documentary series, Impulse. Okay, good night! It was quite chilly night actually. It's 45 minutes past 5, quite early. I think Mia, we need to sleep more because we cannot properly close this sleeping bag. It's a bit cold. Mia is very warm, but damp cold air is going inside. For me this night was quite cold, and it also was quite hard to sleep because I was restricted in the movements. It's too early. We're gonna sleep more. It's too early. Let's sleep. Let's check the temperature. It's 12.7 degrees Celsius and the humidity is 97.2. It's very humid and it's quite cold for summer. But normally if I can close this sleeping bag, I can sleep till 7 degrees. I would say till 10 degrees. 10 degrees is okay, but now when I cannot close it all the way up, I'm cold in it. Even Mia is very warm. Okay, see you later. We're gonna sleep for some more. I think I'm gonna use my sleeping bag as a blanket. I think I know why I was cold. Because we are very tight inside the sleeping bag. My shoulders were pressing like this on the sides of the sleeping bag and I'm feeling cold here and all the places because we are like very tight inside. I better use the sleeping bag as a blanket and it's very puffy. We will see. We'll try it. This is the test. Now our sleeping bag is as a big blanket. And I already feel it's much better because it's puffy. Yeah, it's much better. And we also changed the sides. Now I can properly sleep on this sleeping pad because before I was half on this sleeping pad and half on this one. Okay, see you later. Peace! Good morning. It's time to wake up. Yeah, wind is crazy and this tent is very airy. Yeah, it was cold all night. Even now, I'm still cold. I'm wearing now extra jacket, but it's still cold. My girl is sleeping tight. I'm going to get out. It's time for tea and we need to move. morning wind, good morning forest, good morning Mia, good morning my dear viewers. Wow, the wind is crazy. My seat pad just blown from my tent. My tent is there. And my seat pad, I will show you. Oh, it's there. Did you see that gust? Come on. So it's blown away from this hill. Crazy. And this is also mine. My snacks. It looks like it will rain, so I need to pack up quickly before it starts. Good morning, my girl. Yeah, she's a really nice girl. I like the idea she decided to come inside my sleeping bag on my pad. My sweetie. Mia will have her breakfast and water, and I will have my tea, and then will we move. So, today's summary. It was a great test for my tent in the winds. Perfect. It's holding very nicely. I'm actually very surprised. Even when my tent was fully open, the wind was blowing straight into the tent. Come on. And it holds perfectly nice. So next, my foam pad. I was actually very surprised. It's so comfortable. I very like it. It's of course bulky, but it's indestructible. I can use it with my dog and we have enough space for us both. Next thing about this tent and all the zippers. For me it's a game changer when you change your metal zipper handles to the paracord ones. Super silent, ninja style. Next one, also about my tent and the dog. This tent has plenty space for us both. I can even have 2 dogs in there, about the same size. So I'm very happy that I can use this tent with my dog. Because before I have concerns that dogs have sharp nails and it will damage my tent's floor or my mattresses or something like that. Now I know I can use this foam mat, get that extra mat to make more space for her, and the tent's floor is protected. So next, the next is my sandals. They are holding up very nicely. There is no damages, nothing, like new. And yeah, of course, poncho. Poncho is nice. It covers me and my 65 liters backpack, so no problem, it's working fine. Only the rain was in the beginning, so I hope to do some episode when it will be hard raining, so that I need to survive with my poncho pinch up a tent somehow and jump into. So that will be test for rain for my tent and for my poncho, but that's for another time. So now I'm gonna drink my tea, Mia will have her breakfast, and we will move. Okay, peace! Welcome, my dear viewers, to So Much Love and super duper interesting documentary series, Impulse. And the lowest temperature in the night was 12.35 degrees Celsius, and with a high humidity, and it was 97.1%. And what I learned in this episode, I wanted to try the dog inside my sleeping bag. My sleeping bag is quite wide, but anyways, when we are together inside, I cannot close it up all the way. That's one thing. Other thing is, it's very tight on the body, and I felt very cold. It was much better to use this sleeping bag as a big blanket. It was much better, it was fluffier, and I felt much better. But I didn't eat anything before I go to sleep, so also that was a, I think, mistake. In short, if I would eat my ramen just before I go to sleep and use my sleeping bag as a blanket from the beginning, I would felt much more comfortable. And also one thing, in this area, wind was coming from there, like very strong gusts, and my tent is very airy. It's only mesh inside, and the fly sheet is raised up from the ground. So like it now you can see how it fills up with the air. So air is easily passing through my tent, and every time the gust came, I felt very cold. In this case, it would be better if I had my camo net, because camo net would create a wind barrier. We're learning on the go. That's the beauty of it. I hope you enjoy nature too. And it doesn't need to be nothing fancy, some fancy mountains or whatever. You can just go outside in your park, maybe walk your dog or ride your bike or whatever. Just get out from your homes and enjoy life. As usual, if I found something in the forest, some plastic, some trash, I'm collecting it and bringing back to the bin. Look, cigarettes. Why people who are smoking are leaving their cigarettes in nature? Just come on, just bin it somewhere. Yesterday I also found a broken glass, so somebody can get cut. People are very ignorant by leaving a lot of stuff in the nature. On the last summer I had a problem that Mia cut her leg outside. She was running in a long grass and there was broken bottle of the beer and she very badly cut her leg. And it was disaster for whole summer, my poor girl. So people, please don't leave any stuff outside. If you can bring it here, bring it back. And if you see something laying on the ground, you can pick it up and also take it away. In that way, if we are we're creating better environment for ourselves, for animals, and for our children. Okay, I need to pack up. See you later. Peace! So I found this. It's full of broken glass, cigarettes and plastic. Come on, Mia. Have your breakfast. Yeah. Eat. Let's eat. it's starting to rain, but I hope it will stop. Because it's changing, it's a blue skies and then it's a black clouds. So remember, leave no trace. So that's it for today. See you on the next episode. Bye! And I wanted to add that on the way back it started heavily raining. I can properly test my poncho. Yeah, cool. I'm happy.